We're about to dive into the intricate world of user attacks. Imagine you're walking down a busy street, minding your own business, when a charming stranger approaches you. They spin a tale, weave a web of deception, and before you know it, they've conned you out of your wallet. This, in essence, is social engineering. The use of psychological manipulation, such as deception or confidence, to execute an attack. It's one of the most common forms of user attacks in the digital world. Then there's the case of compromised credentials. Think of it as losing your house keys. Anyone who finds them can gain unauthorized access to your house. In cyber terms, lost, stolen, or exposed usernames and passwords can be used in a similar way to gain unauthorized access to a system. And while we're talking about keys, let's discuss poor password hygiene. Using a weak password is like using a fragile lock on your door. It's easy to break. Weak passwords are easy to guess using brute force methods, and reusing passwords for multiple services makes unrelated accounts more susceptible to unauthorized access. But it's not always outside forces we need to worry about. Sometimes the danger lurks within. Malicious insiders, often disgruntled employees, may expose company information or exploit vulnerabilities to inflict damage. Then there's phishing, scareware, extortion, and baiting. Phishing is like phishing, only the bait is a deceptive message, and the catch is your sensitive information. Scareware is akin to a wolf in sheep's clothing, a fraudulent antivirus software that's actually a virus. Extortion in the cyber world is much like its real-world counterpart, threatening to disclose personal information unless a ransom is paid. Baiting, on the other hand, lures a user with false promises to extract valuable information. It's ironic, isn't it? People are the most important and valuable asset to an organization, yet the most commonly exploited network attack vector is also the people. So, what have we learned today? User attacks come in various forms: social engineering, compromised credentials, poor password hygiene, malicious insiders, phishing, scareware, extortion, and baiting. Each has its own unique way of exploiting vulnerabilities, often using people as the main conduit. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is your best defense. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to Demystify Tech for more insights into the complex world of technology. Until next time, stay safe in the digital universe.